What up? This is your boy, Nigga Nation. As you know, we here, we represent the gods. We represent the gods and we're out here with the nature. You know what I mean? This is Umzingazi Lake. It feels good to be around here. We out here, just come here, sun is blazing, it's a beautiful day, beautiful morning. We wake up with positivity, you know what I mean? So we came here to embrace ukuthi we come from in nature, man. We're not separated from in nature, and we're one with nature. As you know, ukuthi we are the dust of stars. You know, when the old stars died, they just boom and splits all over, and the carbon and the oxygen and the ions that were there to form us. So you know, we older than this world, and you know, we came here with the with this water, and you know, we came with ihlahla, trees, animals. It's part of us. It's our family. We come from the same source, and yeah, man. So I mean, I'm not separated with the nature. So it feels good to be part of this and to know who I am, that I am. I am God. I'm creating this world, and I've created this world for billion of years ago. I've created this world. So yeah, shout out to everybody who's out here. This is your boys, Nigga Nation. Look at this. Look at this. This is where I was born. This is where it came from. You know what I mean? So it's crazy to be out here. I feel good. I feel amazing. You know what I mean? So yeah, shout out, man. I just wanted you to introduce you to, to, to this place which we call Mandazini. This is Mandazini. This is where I grew up in Zingazi. It's all of this shit. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's crazy. I'm Snake Nation, by the way. I feel good. Today I just want to make this introduction. I'm part of this creation, part of this world. It feels good to be part of this. I mean, I'm one with the cosmic. I'm nature. You know, I'm the source. I'm connected, man. I'm happy. I don't need anything except being myself. You know what I'm saying? So you may be needing more money, but if you can't enjoy yourself, you can't know yourself, when you're part of this creation, you connected to this, and you won't be able to enjoy yourself. I mean, I do enjoy myself because I am part of this creation. So yeah, shout out to me, man. Snake Nation. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. As we always come to this page to spread information, to get people to be aware, and yeah, man, it's crazy. There's a lot that is coming out. Page. This page is amazing, man. And we came here to witness a history. We came here to create a history. We came here to feel, to experience, because udaba lwethu, like matter, we came here to create all that shit. We came here to be ulwazi, consciousness to expand. There's a lot that we need to be able to tap in. We came here to create a civilization, to create a history, to create a empire. We're here to tap into finance, economics. We came here to be wealthy because within us we're wealthy. We possess all those things, and man, yeah, man, it's crazy. So don't forget to hit that like button, to subscribe on our page, to share any of your topic that we wanna be engaged with, or you want us to be involved with. So we're gonna be tapping to your comments, and we're gonna be go and do our research and come back with full information. As you know, me now, I'm Snake Nation, man. Snake, King Snake. I represent a nation of the gods. This is uNkulunkulu samakhosi. Yeah, this is cool. So duma, like just to me, because we are already there. Just that we in physical form, we haven't manifest that shit.